Hello again. So now, like I said, we're going to still be working with the figures, but there's just going to be a little more algebra involved, which you guys were doing well with, so I think you'll be fine. Basically, the two steps is we're going to use the figure to set up the equation. So basically, you're counting the sides. If it's a triangle, you're going to add them up, it'll equal 180. If it's more sides, you got to figure out 4 sides, 360, 5 sides, 540. Okay, and then we're going to do what we did earlier in the week. We're going to use the value of x to find every angle. Okay, so just like Monday and Tuesday, we're going to go back and figure out every angle. All right, so let's get to it. First example, we're going to draw 4 sides. Best you can, doesn't have to be perfect. Mine certainly is not. Let's label them A, B, C, and D so we know what we're talking about. And then each angle is going to have a value. So angle A is x, B is 2x plus 1, C is x minus 10, and D, they're given to us 101. Whew. Okay, so you can tell there's a little more algebra involved. We can do this. So here we go. Basically, all 4 of these have to add up to 360. Don't forget one. Put them all in your equation. So x plus 2x plus 1 plus x minus 10 plus the 101. That's sometimes forgotten. Don't forget that. So they're all in there. And all together, that is supposed to add up to 360 because we're dealing with a quadrilateral, 4-sided shape. All right, so we got 1x, 2, 3, 4x. 1 minus 10, so we're at negative 9. 101 minus 9, we should be at a positive 92. Watch out for that minus negative. Remember that question, is that a minus or a negative? Yes. Okay, now we're going to subtract 92. 360 minus 92 should be 268. I'm going to check again. Guys, making me nervous here. Minus 92, yep. Now we're going to divide by 4. And we are down to 67. Okay, but now we're going to figure out every angle. So A. Oh, A is just x. So it's just 67 degrees. Angle B is 2x plus 1. Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. Okay, angle B is 2x plus 1. So we're going to sub in 67. 2 times 67 is 134. So angle B is 135. Angle C, look at the picture, is x minus 10. So 67 minus 10, C is 57. And angle D, oh, they gave us 101. So here's our 4 angles. If you really want to check it out, add these up in your calculator. I'm doing it right now. 67, 135, 57, and 101. And what should we get? 360, and we do. So that's a nice little check. You can be sure that you got it correct. Okay? All right, nice. Let's try one with a triangle. So new picture here. Again, the pictures, guys, I'm sorry if the angles don't really look like they're supposed to. I tried my best, but you never know. All right, so this is point H, A, T, hat. Okay. H is 4x minus 8. A is 3x. And T is 5x minus 4. Okay, so based on the picture, you have to think to yourself, what do all these angles have to add up to. And hopefully you are thinking 180. So add them all together. 4x minus 8, 5x minus 4, and they should all add up to 180 this time. Okay, let's combine like terms. 3, 7, 12x. Oof, and be careful again, that's a negative 8 minus 4. Negative 8 minus 4, you're down to negative 12. That's how you should think of that. Think temperature. You're at negative 8, you go down 4. You're down to negative 12. Okay, let's get rid of that by adding it. That's 192. And then we're going to divide by 12. And we should be down to 16. Okay, and again, we're going to figure out the three angles that we have. So H, look at the picture, was 4x minus 8. And we're thinking x is 16, so we sub it in. 4 times 16 is 64. 64 minus 8 is 56. All right, so we think H is 56. A was 3x. So 3 times 16, that's 48. And T is 5x minus 4. So sub in your 16. What is 5 times 16? I'm typing it in. 5 times 16, 80, minus the 4, 76. Now what should these three add up to? 56 plus 48 plus 76. 180, and they do. All right, nice guys. So it's just more algebra. You're looking at figures, figure out what they add up to, and then it's actually nice that you'll be able to pretty much check your answers. All right, so email me if you have questions. You guys are doing great. Keep it up, and I will talk to you later. All right, bye.